So I'm gonna show you how to make a bubble popping noise. So what you need to do is you need to take your tongue, put it like right here on your lip, while your mouth is just normal. Like make your mouth like this, like right now. Just make it closed. Then put your tongue like behind your upper lip. Then you want to make it come out. Then don't do this. Don't do that. You gotta kind of like that. It's like a that. You make it like come out of your upper lip. So once you did that, it should sound like this. Paper Logo Blocks, the movie 3 is coming soon. Skibbity dop dop dop, yes yes. Skibbity dop doo deep deep. Skibbity dop dop dop, yes yes. Skibbity dop doo deep.